Let's talk sheet today. How many sheets should you have and how many is too many? The answer to that likely depends on the space that you have to store them and your preferences. I'm going to show you what I do in my home, what I generally recommend to my clients. First, I'm Allison, a professional organizer, and I've been sharing 24 easy and attainable organizing ideas that you can actually do to get organized in 2024. As a general rule, I tend to recommend 2 sheets per season per bed. If you don't live in a place where the temperature varies too much, you may not need that many. I like to keep 2 flannel warmer ones for the colder months, and then 2 sets of cooler sheets for the hotter months. Right now, I actually have way more sets of twin sheets than my rule allows, and I'm going to tell you why. I have a just turned 3-year-old, we are potty training, and sometimes sheets need to be changed in the middle of the night for multiple nights in a row, and we can't always be on top of all the laundry. So it's really important that you adapt these rules to your lifestyle and do what really works for you. Storing your sheets, it really depends on where you have the space for it. People prefer to have it in the room where the sheets are being used. Some people prefer to have them in a linen closet. Again, you need to do what makes sense for your space, for your lifestyle, for your home. And while I do like to fold my sheets nicely, my favorite way to store them is in an open basket that sits on a shelf in our linen closet. This way, this basket acts like a little drawer. You can pull out what you need, divided by bedside, and even if you don't fold everything perfectly, it still looks nice from the outside. So let me know how you tackle your sheets in your home and follow along to keep getting organized with me.